Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use a bubble gun machine. First, carefully unbox your new bubble gun and ensure all parts are present. Next, check that you have fresh batteries like AA or AAA ready for use. Finally, identify where the bubble solution goes, whether it's a reservoir or a dipping tray. Getting these initial steps right ensures a smooth and fun experience. Now, let's get the bubble solution ready. If your gun has a built-in reservoir, simply pour the provided bubble solution directly into it. For models with a dipping tray, fill it with solution, making sure it's about 1 inch deep. You can also use homemade solutions. Just ensure they have a good consistency for the best bubbles.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more fun content. On another note, make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're super handy for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With the solution ready, it's time to operate your bubble gun. First, insert the batteries, carefully matching the positive and negative terminals. If your gun requires dipping, submerge the nozzle into the solution. Then, simply press the trigger to activate the fan and watch as a delightful stream of bubbles fills the air. To get the best bubble experience, here are a few helpful tips. Always use fresh, high-quality bubble solution for the most vibrant and long-lasting bubbles. Be careful not to overfill the reservoir, as this can lead to messy leaks and spills. Also, remember to clean the nozzle regularly to prevent any clogs and ensure a continuous, smooth flow of bubbles.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.